Two off-road legends, one big showdown. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a powerful modern SUV built for adventure. The Jeep Wrangler, a tough, no-nonsense off-roader made to conquer any trail. Both are built for the wild. But which one is the real king of off-roading? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one is truly the best. Now, let's start with power. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Toyota designed it for efficiency without sacrificing muscle. Then we have the Jeep Wrangler. Here's where things get wild. It offers multiple engine options, starting from a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, all the way up to a monstrous 6.4-liter V8, pushing 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. So, Wrangler packs more punch. But does that mean better off-road performance? Not necessarily. Off-road numbers aren't everything. The Land Cruiser comes with Toyota's legendary full-time four-wheel drive system, multi-terrain select, and a locking center differential. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and smart traction control, it makes rough trails feel like a casual drive. But the Jeep Wrangler, it's built differently. With the rock track system, solid axles, and an insane 10.8 inches of ground clearance, this thing is a mountain goat. When it comes to rock crawling and extreme terrain, the Wrangler has no competition. So, if you're taking on the toughest trails, the Wrangler is the beast you want. Now let's talk design. The Land Cruiser has a more refined and modern look. Toyota focused on aerodynamics while keeping that tough, boxy shape true to its heritage. The Wrangler, pure off-road DNA, boxy, rugged, and built for adventure. It hasn't changed much over the years, and that's because Jeep knows its audience. They love the classic design. Step inside, and this is where the Land Cruiser shines. You get premium leather seats, a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, and Toyota's advanced Safety Sense suite. It's built for comfort and tech-savvy drivers. The Wrangler, it keeps things simple and functional. No fancy tech overload, just a rugged, adventure-ready cabin with durable materials. And yes, you can still take the doors off and enjoy the wild. Daily driving? Here's where things shift. The Land Cruiser is more refined, smooth on highways, and fuel-efficient, thanks to its hybrid setup. It's a great all-rounder. The Wrangler, on the other hand, is a bit of a compromise. It's fun, but not as smooth for long road trips. Wind noise, stiff suspension, it's all part of the Jeep experience. Now let's talk money. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at around $55,000, offering high-end features and a balanced driving experience. The Wrangler? It starts lower, around $35,000, but fully loaded models, especially the Rubicon 392, can climb well over $80,000. So if you want premium features at a reasonable price, the Land Cruiser is the better deal. But if you want ultimate off-road dominance, the Jeep lets you go all out. So, which one takes the crown? Well, it depends on what you want. The Land Cruiser is your go-to for balanced performance, strong off-road capability, modern tech, and everyday comfort. But if you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast who lives for adventure, the Jeep Wrangler is simply unmatched. Now the real question is, what would you take off-road? Let us know in the comments. And if you love epic off-road battles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. More action-packed content coming your way.